Here with head coach John Haskins following a pretty exciting 63-38 victory over Francis Marion tonight. Regular season finale for you, coach. Turned out to be the season finale. Missed 15 of your last 16 shots in the first half in this one. Went into halftime down 25-21. Hold Francis Marion to just 11% shooting in the second half. Win this game by 25 tonight. What are your thoughts?
Yeah, I thought defensively it was a combination of things. I thought our defense was pretty good, and they struggled to score. Obviously, they struggled to make shots, but and then we were able to control the glass. I mean, I thought Kiara Haney was unbelievable, 22 rebounds. So that was a fantastic effort by her. I think we settled for too many three-pointers in the end of the first half, and then when we did get it inside, we didn't finish. The emphasis in the second half was getting inside and playing inside out. We did and got some good three-pointers and made some shots in the second half.
Let's talk about individual numbers. You did mention Kiara Haney. Her UNCP finale, 11 points, 22 rebounds, which is a lot. Ever since I've been here, Coach, I haven't seen that many, but 8 points, 7 assists, 9 rebounds from Jasmine Kemp. She messed around with a triple-double tonight. Can't ask for more than that from two seniors.
Yeah, great effort. And you know, even though they didn't score a lot, I thought Ave was really solid and did some good things, did some great things defensively. We're going to miss her defensively. She's such a smart defensive player and plays so hard defensively. And then Camille Horn did some good things too. So it was great to see our four seniors go out with a win in the Jones Center, and particularly win a 25-point win like we did in a great second half.
Let's talk excruciating end of your season. You needed some help tonight from GRU or from USC Aiken. Ended up finishing in a tie for fourth in the PPC East. Lose by tiebreaker, don't make it PPC tournament berth. I know you and I were talking down the hallway coming in about take care of business here or there, but just sort of sum up this season.
Well, I think that, you know, we struggle to score at times, and if you look at two big home losses where we lost to Aiken by 1 at the buzzer, where we missed 5 of our last 7 free throws. I think we only scored 48 points and missed the box out at the end, and they got a follow shot that hung on the rim and went in at the buzzer to lose by 1. And then I think our home effort offensively against Flagler, where we only scored 46 points, and we made a layup with 3 seconds left to get to 46. So, you know, those two were games that I think came back to haunt us. You know, if we take care of one of those two, we're a game ahead of them and in the playoffs, and don't have to worry about a tie-breaking scenario. So that was kind of disappointing. I did tell our girls I'm really proud of them. We won 4 of our last 6. I thought we played well toward the second half of the season. I thought we were a very solid team. You know, I don't know what we ended up 10-16. We were 1-8 at one point in time, and really struggling. So they continued to work. This is a great group of young ladies, and I'm just really proud of their effort.